Hello, NeejHmong from Her Haven. Here's one way I preserve my lemongrass away. Wash it thoroughly and chop them up into 5 to 8 inches and just freeze them away. Or you could chop them up really fine like this. You can dry them up this way for use later for tea or cooking, or bake them into very dry and pound it down to powder for use later. This year I'm going to use this method. I am using the personal mixed drain blender to grind it down to be very fine. Xiong ku shilu nyono le ju ko mama ku jong ko la no le shi mo lu o ko zo no ha chu lu langa ji no thao ku yo jinga. Once it is grind down like this to be very fine, you could freeze them away. It can be thought to use for many cooking dish. I use it all the time to marinate chicken or pork before I bake them or grill them. Here's one tray, all chopped up and bagged, ready to go in the freezer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.